Welcome to Unboxing Nature, Toy Insanity, and Butternut. Today we got a beetle. We got a ground beetle. I threw a snail in there to see if you eat a snail. They like to eat slugs and they like to eat earthworms and they really like to eat caterpillars. In fact, this one, these big iridescent green ground beetles, they're often called caterpillar hunters, caterpillar killers. But this one just likes doing flips and tricks. They produce a foul odor when handled. I can smell that foul odor now. It smells kind of like, come here, come here, come here. Smells kind of like poop. Like a real bad rotten poop. Wow. Unboxing Nature, Beetle Insanity. It ain't a pope beetle though. It ain't a dung beetle. It ain't a carrion beetle. It's a ground beetle. Big old green ground beetle. Caterpillar killer. I'm gonna put him over on the flowers. I'm gonna put him on the flowers and see if he can find out whatever's whatever's causing that herbivory on my flowers. Some kind of caterpillar or something kind of larva's over there eating my leaves of my zinnia flowers. Okay, Mr. Ground Beetle. Okay, my dude, we gotta. You gotta help me out. We gotta see the herbivory. Do you see a caterpillar anywhere? Oh, he wants to be on the ground. Hence the name. Okay, good luck, buddy. Good luck. I'm rooting for you. Thumbs up for more delicious beetle content. More amazing Unboxing Nature. Ew, he's stinky. He can't see it. Who's getting this garden? Is he in my home? That's not. What do you shit about your home? Thumbs up for more. Thumbs up for more. Thumbs up for more. Thumbs up for more. Thumbs up for more.